Want to give your Android a fresh start, erase everything, and get it back to its brand new state? Let's dive into how to factory reset your device. First things first, a word of caution: the factory reset will erase all your personal data, your photos, videos, contacts, apps, everything. So, before we begin, ensure you've backed up anything important you want to keep. You can usually do this through your Google account or other cloud services. Now, to get started, unlock your phone and head into your main settings app. You can usually find the settings icon, which looks like a gear, on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find an option like System, General Management, or sometimes it's directly under the main menu. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Android version and phone manufacturer. Tap on that option, and then look for Reset or Reset Options. This is where you'll find the different ways you can reset your device. The option you're looking for is Erase All Data Factory Reset or something very similar. Select this. You'll likely see a screen detailing exactly what will be erased. To proceed, you'll need to confirm your decision. Tap the Reset Phone button, and you may be asked to enter your device's PIN, pattern, or password to verify it's you. You'll get one last chance to back out. Once you tap Erase Everything or the equivalent button, your device will begin the reset process. Your phone will now restart, and it might take a few minutes as it wipes all the data and reinstalls the operating system. This is the perfect time to grab a coffee. Once the process is complete, your phone will boot up to the initial setup screen. Just like when you first got it out of the box, you're now ready to set it up again or prepare it for its next owner.